guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you feeling anxiety at home? Are you not able to manage your time during your work hours? Are you struggling between household work and office work? Are you fed up of your spouse's office work? Then you are at the right place. Today I am going to talk about a topic wherein you will be able to manage all the above mentioned things in a single go, and that is having a routine during lockdown. Now you will ask me, why a routine? Routine helps you in managing your stress and also time management. You can very well manage your time by following a routine. Why delay? Let's get started. Now, what to do to have a routine? Firstly, do not confine your routine to a single day. Make it for an entire week. So, I would suggest that you pen down all the work that you are required to do in this particular week on a note. I know it takes a little time, but then eventually you will start getting habituated to it and you will remember everything. If you write down the entire list of things that you need to do in an entire week, then you can prioritize your tasks accordingly. Now when I say write down the list, I want you to write down each and everything, like making dosa batter for the week, making idli batter for the week, sending a weekly status report to your manager, etc. Including small things, just make a note of them. Then understand your priorities. Now that you have already made up the list, one small thing to include is to sit down at the end of the week and retrospect what have you achieved and what have you not achieved, so that you will plan the next week in a better way. This helps you in understanding what you could finish on time and what you could not. Next one, you have to make sure to maintain a consistent sleep and meal pattern. Now, when I say sleep and meal pattern, you will come back to me saying, hey, I know that we need to maintain sleep and meal patterns, but then I am not able to achieve. So, I have some small tips for you. This was told to me by somebody who is already doing this. So, from sure short tested methods, I am recommending these to you. First thing, if you are working professional, then you know how our meeting calendars are. Make sure to create a meeting invite for your meals as well. Just create a meeting invite saying 12 to 12:30 lunchtime and block your calendar by yourself, so that nobody else will schedule meetings during your lunch hours. I have solution for night owls as well. It's simple. If you are sleeping at 3 a.m., make sure that you wake up by 10:30 or 11 a.m. so that you will have a consistent 8 hours sleep. Why not try it? Give it a try tomorrow. And hey, think about those carry bags you carry under your eyes. If you follow this pattern, they are gone. The next important point is doing some exercise. If you do some exercise, that will keep your mind, body active. It will keep you happy the entire day and it will reduce your stress, because of which you will not feel anxiety. So make sure that you work out for at least 30 minutes in a day. Now, you will come back to me saying, hey Supriya, I do not have time to do so much of exercise. What do I do? So, my pro tip for you is 1. If you like doing workout, then make sure that you do not confine yourself to any time. Be it in the morning, be it in the afternoon, be it in the night, whenever you are comfortable, just make sure to work out, so that at least you end up doing some exercise rather than not doing it at all. Make sure to drink lots of water within a day. It keeps you hydrated. So how much water should you drink? Your weight divided by 30 is the minimum number of liters of water you should drink in a day. Now, I have couple of pro tips for lazy people like me. Yes, I come into the same category. So what do I do since I do not do any exercise? I make sure that whenever I am taking a phone call, be it with my parents, be it with my friends, I make sure that I go and stand in the corridor and take rounds in the corridor while I am speaking on the phone. So what happens is, if I am taking a call for 10 minutes, then I end up doing walking subconsciously for 10 minutes. And next pro tip for lazy people like me again is, my mom says that doing pranayama or meditation or yoga is equivalent to doing a healthy fit 30-minute workout. Do some breathing exercises or do some pranayama for just 10 minutes and it will help you relax your mind like anything. Let's move on to the other one. Next one is relaxation. Make sure to relax for some time. This is very important because we are not socializing now. We are confined to the four walls of the house. So having some time to relax yourselves is very, very important and essential. Now for this relaxation, you can do anything you would like to do. If you want to listen to music, go ahead. If you want to do nothing and just stare at the wall, do it. But make sure that you relax yourself. Another important tip is to dress up for yourself. Yes, you heard it right. Now that we are just sitting at home and not doing anything but wearing our pajamas, agree with me, right? So make sure to dress up yourself. When you dress up, you will immediately start feeling good, confident, elated, and your mood instantly rises like this. So make sure that you dress up. This tip is especially for people who are working from home. I know some of you are finding it very easy, but then it has definitely become challenging for most of the people. So what do you do in this scenario? I suggest that when you are working from home, act as if you are just working normally in an office. So if you are working in an office, you log in by 10 o'clock and log out by 6 o'clock. Make sure to maintain that shift here as well. Also, keep in mind that just like you took some coffee breaks, lunch breaks in the office, you have to take some breaks here as well. Then only you will get some energy and you will be feeling much more enthusiastic to work. I hope you will keep this in mind. Let's move on to that. Next important point is to have a learning curve. Now that most of us are working from home, we are definitely saving some travel time. Why not utilize that travel time in pursuing our passion? Anything, be it related to work, be it related to upscaling yourself, be it related to painting, cooking, anything of your choice. You are seeing me here just because I have a passion of making videos like this. That is why my channel is here. Then why don't you try something you like very much? Give it a try, guys. I am sure it will be useful. Finally, prioritize yourself. See what's making you happy. Do not get stressed. Pen down your thoughts, what you are feeling on that particular day. Make sure to write down what you are feeling thankful for on that particular day. Close your eyes and keep it in your mind that we are thankful to God for giving us this life. And also try to recollect those things that will make you feel thankful. And that's it. That's the trick. Anxiety is gone, stress is gone, time is managed, and all of us are happy. Whatever may come your way, it's a very small thing. Keep smiling, keep spreading the smile, be happy, subscribe to my channel. That's the important thing, guys. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.